Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this 2019 Scout 215 XSF. We're going to start up in the bow of the boat. Great seating area, also has a lot of storage, so whether you're out with the family or doing some fishing, you got a place to put everything on the boat. You know, you can seat either way up here. You got a nice backrest that you can lean on. Your safety grab rails for the kids are in a great place. Just a nice hangout spot on this 215. One of the best parts about this is this nice large seating area right here. You could fit two people that could lay out, and then you also have a great storage area underneath where, again, if you're with the family or you're fishing, you got a nice area to put the fish or all the food and drinks and stuff like that, or if you're storing lines or fenders and all that kind of stuff. All right, we're gonna continue towards the back of the boat. And you can see as I'm walking through here, nice wide walkways. The bolsters are real high, so when I'm leaning or if I am going out front or anything like that, you know, I'm nice and in the boat. I can have that nice safety leaning spot. Continue back to the helm station. You got a nice seating area again here. You do have the thigh-high bolsters that are independent of each other, so I can put one down and have the other one up, however you'd like to sit while you're running the boat. Nice configuration laid out for the captain. It's equipped with a Yamaha 150 XEA that is the new digital throttles, which is nice for that 150, gives you that fly-by-wire, nice and easy in and out of gear. Fusion stereo, all your switches and everything like that are very easy and accessible. It's got the Lenco trim tabs, and you also have a nice spot where you could put a GPS. Cup holders and everything all over the place. Again, really serves that dual purpose family and fishing. As we continue to the back of the boat, you got another nice seating area, flip out seat here on the transom with a live well over on the port side of the boat. And again, I'll point out that 150 Yamaha with the digital throttles. You also have another cooler down here that is removable. You can take that obviously on and off of the boat, whatever you're gonna use that for. So again, that's the 2000. Down underneath this helm area, we do have a nice porta potty set up down there, nice and deep, easy to get into and out of, and a great storage area as well. So thank you for taking that walkthrough with us of this beautiful 2019 Scout 215 XSF. Again, my name is Bill Herr, and we're located in Somers Point, New Jersey. You can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you.